Eggs are one of the quintessential ingredients that one can use in several breakfast preparations. This egg mayo sandwich is surely a time saver when you have a busy morning. Made with boiled eggs, mayonnaise and oregano, this yummy and easy breakfast sandwich is ready in minutes. Let me show you how to make yours. Take a Ziploc bag and roll it out to make an open bowl. Throw in 3 hard-boiled eggs, 150 grams of mayonnaise, and 1 tablespoon of oregano, and zip up your bag. Gently squeeze and mash the bag with your fingers to break up the egg and mix your ingredients. Flatten out one corner and use a pair of scissors to snip off the very corner of your bag to create a piping bag for your mixture. Take a slice of toast and squeeze out your filling on top. Have as much as you like. Then complete with another slice of toast and simply slice down the middle. Serve up your egg mayo sandwich with some green salad and perhaps some ketchup, or you could even throw it into your lunchbox to enjoy later in the day. A terrific snack and so easy to make.